There are places on Earth where words fall silent and nature speaks instead. A land of ice, stone, and time itself. This is the Himalaya. More than mountains, they are living monuments shaped by millions of years. The Himalaya is the highest mountain range on Earth, stretching over 2,400 kilometers across South Asia. It spans 5 countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Tibet, and Pakistan. Here stands Mount Everest, the tallest point on our planet, rising 8,848 meters above sea level. Around 50 million years ago, the Indian tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate. This monumental collision forced the Earth upward, giving birth to the Himalaya. And even today, these mountains continue to rise, a reminder that Earth is still alive. The climate of the Himalaya is extreme, freezing winters, thin air, and sudden storms. Yet these mountains are the source of life. From their glaciers flow the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra rivers, supporting nearly 2 billion people. Hidden within the silence live some of the world's rarest wildlife. The snow leopard, a ghost of the mountains, the red panda, the Himalayan monal, and countless unseen species. For centuries, people have lived in harmony with these peaks. To them, the mountains are sacred. Every summit holds a spirit. Every wind carries a prayer. Today, the Himalaya faces an uncertain future. Glaciers are melting faster than ever before. Rivers are changing course. Entire ecosystems are at risk. The roof of the world is feeling the weight of human activity. The Himalaya teaches us that true strength lies not in dominance, but in endurance. They have stood here for millions of years, silent, patient, unbreakable. The Himalaya, the giants of Earth.